Hey there, it's Phil from WTI, and this is my AC adapter for my camera. I got it from the Glorich store. This product is an absolute necessity if you do large-scale video projects like time lapses, or in our case, we use our camera as our webcam. So what it is it's a dummy battery pack connected to an AC adapter that plugs directly into your wall. Now, the sheer length of this cable I was not expecting when I first ordered the product. I don't know exactly how long it is, but it's definitely more than 7 feet long. So you don't need a lot of outlets around your house to reach. We use it in conjunction with our Canon EOS Rebel SL3, but I do know that it's compatible with several different cameras. So if you're sick of your camera running out of battery, or you're tired of keeping track of all those battery packs, this is definitely a product for you. But that's just my point of view.